Welcome to the Wiki Network Hub, and in this informative video I will teach you how to change your Instagram password. If you are the new user, please subscribe to our channel. In the new update, the setting is always changing and rearranging. So now we are showing you how to change your name on Instagram. Go to your profile and then click on three dot, then click on the setting and privacy. Search for the account center in this menu. So you see that it is at the top, and click on the account center, and now you see the option of password and security. Click on it and then click on the change password. Once you click on it, it will verify from you that of which account you want to change the password. Select the account of which you want to change the password. So now there are the three options. Type your current password of this account, and there are the two options of new password and retype password. After typing your current password, then click on the new password and retype your password to verify. So these are the simple steps to change Instagram password. If this video is informative for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.